Hello, everyone. We are glad to see you in our brief overview of the platform's filtering operators. This is a small but still important feature that helps to fasten the work process. Filtering operators are essential tools for refining data in tables containing datasets. They allow users to sort and analyze information efficiently by applying specific conditions to column values. In this video, we will explore how these operators work and how they can help streamline data analysis. Filtering operators give users the opportunity to define precise criteria for selecting data. The list of operators depends on the type of data within a column. There are columns containing string values, numeric data, columns containing duration or date information, and categorical columns. Though these types aren't going in the strict order, they can be found in the tables all over the platform. So let's look at them using the project's Files page as an example. To use the filtering feature, just select the desired operator, set the value, and press the Enter key, or left-click the mouse button elsewhere outside the field. The first thing we're going to focus on is string values. These can be composed of letters, digits, and special characters. So when filtering them, you can specify the output results with one of these operators. The contains operator is used to find strings that include a sequence of words in the same order, with anything in between. This filter can be really helpful when you need to match terms that may have variations or extra words in between. For example, if you filter by the phrase John Doe, it will match strings like John Doe or John Matthew Doe. However, it will not match Doe John, as the words aren't in the exact order you specified. This is the opposite of the contains filter. The not contains operator helps you exclude any strings that contain the specified words in the same order. It's perfect for filtering out unwanted entries. For instance, if you filter by John Doe, it will exclude all strings with John Doe, but it will not work if the words input is in the opposite order, since it doesn't match the order from the results. This operator matches any non-empty string. It's useful when you want to filter out fields that have been left blank. Let's say you want to see all files that have users assigned to them. You would use the isNotEmpty filter to exclude rows where this value is empty. The opposite of the isNotEmpty operator. It helps you find fields that are completely empty or have no data entered. If you need to find any files with no assigned users, you can use this filter to pull up all entries with empty values. Now, let's move to the numeric values and their operators. The latter can be used to filter data by one of following parameters. The equals displays all results that exactly match the specified value. For example, if the set here value is 10, the platform will display all the files containing exactly 10 annotated objects. The not equals displays all results that do not match the specified value. This operator does the opposite by displaying all the results whose values are not equal to 10. The less than or equal displays results within the specified value and any smaller values. Applying this operator to the previous value will see all the results with lesser value or at least equal to it. The greater than or equal displays results that are at least equal to the specified value and any larger values. For example, let's set the value to 12, applying the operator to it. The result will contain all the options starting with 12 and higher. There are also isNotEmpty and isEmpty operators available for these values, which function the same way as for string values. Time or date-related values help you track users' contributions to the project. To do this effectively, you can use the following operators. The equals that helps to narrow down the results, displaying only the ones that match the specified values. Let's say you want to check when the file stages were changed and for which files. To do this, try, for instance, to set the change date to February 18th to see if there were any changes on this date. The less / greater than or equal operators are helpful to filter the results when the resulting value is less or exceeds the specified one or is at least equal to it. Let's say you want to know if there were any stage changes for any files before the set date. To do this, simply choose the corresponding operator to apply it to this value. The same works with the greater than operator, showing the results that exceed the specified value. To display all results containing any data for this column, use the isNotEmpty, or get the opposite by applying the isEmpty operator to show all the rows with no data in them. The last type of values are categorical. They represent relation to some category or type. The operators for this value type offer to filter the results according to whether they belong to the list of selected categories or are outside them. For example, you can use the OneOf operator to display the results where the values are related to the verification stage type. The NotOneOf operator will work the similar way, but do the opposite, displaying any other results but the verification. That was all for the operators. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.